We need to talk as a team, decide who our target clients are, and really get to the bottom of what limits we should be offering, coverages or endorsements we should be offering, and get our team up to speed on those. Hello, friends. Stephen Harrington, Dakota, the diva of insurance and performance coach here at Agency Performance Partners. Wanted to spend a couple of minutes today talking about agency standards and why they're important to set and maintain when we are working to retain clients. The first thing I want us to think about is, do we have a broad range or at least a quality range of products and coverage options? Our team can get overwhelmed and confused at all of the things available, so we have to be able to simplify that to a point, make it so they know where to go and what they need to go there for, and make it easy for them to explain to our clients what options are available to them. That'd be the first standard we need to look at. The next thing we need to look at is, do we have a set sales process? When we're talking to a client about another line of business, is there an expectation of turnaround time? What does the sales process look like, and how can we get them really to have a great experience as a client when we're either adding a line or providing additional coverage? We also need to look at our response times when it comes to service. Quick and effective response times for inquiries, claims, and service requests can be key, but if we don't have a set standard, nobody knows what to expect or what they should be accountable to. Each individual will decide what's a good standard, and we'll have varying levels of service across the board, which is not always what we're looking for. We want it consistent. Are we offering personalized service as well? I think we really need to get in the habit of asking facts or finding out facts about our clients and listening to their needs so we can personalize their service. And when it comes time for a claim, do we have a claims process to follow? If a client has a bad claims experience, they're more likely to leave the agency. So we want to make sure that there is some consistency in what the experience is for our clients when it comes to time for a claim. We should also be looking at technology, digital platforms, and communication channels. How can our insureds communicate with us? What is the standard, and what is the standard turnaround time? Again, we have to set expectations with the team as well as our staff so they know what to expect. The thing we really want to look at is, are we defining to our team what the minimum expectations are for coverage? We need to talk as a team, decide who our target clients are, and really get to the bottom of what limits we should be offering, coverages or endorsements we should be offering, and get our team up to speed on those so they can have consistent conversations and not guess or assume we do or don't do something. We need a set expectation for the team so the client is getting a standard level of service and they know what to expect. Different agencies do things different ways. One agency might have a 48-hour turnaround time for all voicemails. One might be 1 hour. There's no right or wrong answer. We just need to define what it is so our staff can understand what the expectation is, and our clients can decide if we're the right fit for them or not. The better we set our standards, the more we refine our processes, the happier our clients are, and in the long run, the longer they'll stay with us if they're understanding our way of doing business. If you need additional help, you can always reach out at agencyperformancepartners.com.